Kia ora, I'm Darryl Warburton, Principal at Waitara High School. So the big focus of our spaces is getting our community in. We want to be able to enable community access, but we need to obviously facilitate that safely and responsibly. Subsequently, if we don't have an idea of who's using spaces at different times, what activities they're up to and so on, then it's difficult for us to do that.
Waitara High School reached out to ASSA ABLOY looking for something to replace the traditional master key system. Darryl really grasped the benefits and advantages of eCLIQ straight away.
The big thing for us was that it was easy to use, so that my staff wouldn't be overwhelmed with the system, and also that we wouldn't have to get specialists in. It was something we could just install and use easily. And we found eCLIQ has done a great job of that. It's a great solution.
eCLIQ allowed the school to open up its facilities and share them with the community while still maintaining control and visibility over who was going where and when.
So the installation was a breeze. I think it probably took a morning to do almost 40 keys and barrels around the school, plus do the install in the admin office and to set up staff there, so it couldn't have been easier. Yeah, so having that cloud-based audit trail has been great. It enables us to check who left doors open or who was the last one through a space, which has been really handy for keeping people accountable. This solution has just been easy to install, easy to manage, and has continued just to make our job easier. And so I couldn't ask for anything more in a system.